We've just entered Jez.
Oh no.
When I say we've just entered Jez, that's a disgusting thought. We've come into
Pussy. Jez Church. They've actually had a church where they me.
Serve, protect, and cock. That doesn't make any sense at all.
My name is Jez.
Your name is Jez.
My name is Jez. What do you get at?
Yeah.
You'll like this, James.
There is Jez's cock. Well found.
And we know that you like the cock and cheese blend, which gives an African and yet African flavour.
Yes.
Yeah, and I've put it in my cock. We know it fits.
We know it fits,
It's a
and
genuine
mine.
gift from
It
the
fits in
heart.
both our cocks.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Does it really?
Yes, it does.
Precisely into your car.
It fits. It's
Snug.
Anyway, Hammond, if you'd like to, there are plenty of people here who can.
Good, let's pop it in the back of my car.
He started to dye his penis. You know Paul McCartney?
Yeah.
Go and have a look at that.
Yeah.
Is it nearly in? Let's have a look. Pretty close.
Right, I think it is time to pull out of Jezza. I just hope nobody sees me doing it.
Oh, God.
James is now regretting selecting the Oh! That's it, no more. Apart from that one. But that really was the absolute last one. Oh my God. Ah, relax. Oh yeah. Whoa!
Whoa!
I can't stop!
Oh,
You idiot! I can't stop it!
well, I can't stop it either.
I'm enjoying the sounds of this behind me. People in white linen suits have to come. I've seen it on the television. They will need hotels to stay in. There will be one near the tea plantation, if not in it.
She.
All around me are familiar faces.
That is characterful, isn't it?
No.
Have you heard of those boutique hotels? Small, with a style all of their own.
Oh my God.
Let's just face reality here. We're in
At the North Pole.
all the hotels are going to be like that, or worse. And I've had an idea. Why don't we sleep in
At
the...
the North Pole.
Come on.
Yeah, but don't do that. Come on, as if we're supposed to go. Hammond, you're brilliant. You've just about redeemed yourself with quite a good.
He hasn't redeemed himself.